Hello, everyone, and welcome back to Ms. English AI. I'm Ina, and I'm so happy to see you all again.
Hi, Ina. Hi, everyone. It's great to be here. And to all our amazing learners tuning in today, thank you so much for joining us.
Today, we're talking about a super simple and very helpful topic for beginners. We're talking about our day. Yes, the things we do every single day. And learning these basic actions is one of the best ways to build your vocabulary and start speaking naturally.
Absolutely. But before we begin, if you enjoy learning English with us here on Miss English AI, please remember to subscribe, give us a thumbs up, and share this video with your friends who are also learning English. Your support really helps the channel grow.
It really does. And we love hearing from you, so feel free to leave a comment about your day or anything new you've learned.
Okay, Ina, are you ready to talk about our daily routine?
I'm ready. Let's start with the morning. What do you usually do first thing in the morning?
Well, the first thing I do is wake up. I usually wake up around 6:30.
Wow, you're an early bird, Paul. I usually wake up a little later, around 7 o'clock. After I wake up, I get out of bed.
Yes, get out of bed is a very useful phrase. After that, I go to the bathroom, I brush my teeth, and wash my face.
Exactly. Brush my teeth, wash my face. These are everyday actions we all do. After that, I usually go to the kitchen.
Ooh, the kitchen. What do you normally do there in the morning?
I make breakfast, usually coffee and toast. Sometimes I eat fruit like a banana or an apple.
Simple and delicious. I usually make tea and have some cereal. After breakfast, I get dressed.
Get dressed means putting on your clothes. And if I'm going out, I put on my shoes and my coat. Then I leave the house.
Right. I usually leave the house and go to work, or sometimes I work from home. That depends on the day.
Paul, can you tell us your full morning routine?
Sure. I wake up at 6:30, get out of bed, go to the bathroom, brush my teeth, and wash my face. Then I go to the kitchen, make tea, eat cereal, get dressed, put on my shoes or jacket if I'm going to the office, and then I leave the house and go to work.
Great routine, Paul. And we used so many useful verbs already. Now let's talk about what we do during the day.
Okay, Ina, what do you usually do at work?
At work, I sit at my desk and work on my computer. I answer emails and write reports. Sometimes I have meetings with my colleagues.
Very common actions for many people. When I work from home, I also sit at my desk and use my computer. I write articles, prepare lessons, and sometimes have online meetings.
And then, around lunchtime, we have lunch. I sometimes bring my lunch from home, or I go out to eat.
I often have a sandwich or a salad. After lunch, we go back to work until the end of the day.
After work, I go home. When I get home, I relax on the sofa and maybe watch TV. Sometimes I cook dinner. I love trying new recipes.
I also cook dinner sometimes, usually pasta or a simple soup. After dinner, I wash the dishes. Then I might read a book or talk to my family or friends.
In the evening, I sometimes go for a walk or listen to music, something relaxing. Then before bed, I brush my teeth again, and finally, I go to bed around 11:30.
I try to go to bed a little earlier, around 10:30 or 11. And that's the end of the day.
So, today we talked about waking up, getting ready, going to work, having lunch, finishing work, going home, relaxing, making dinner, and going to bed. These are the actions we all do every day, and they are perfect for English beginners.
Exactly. And you can use these phrases to talk about your own day. Try saying your full routine in English, or write it down. It really helps you learn.
And don't worry if you don't know every word yet. Just try. Learning a language takes time and practice. Be patient with yourself and celebrate every small step.
We hope today's lesson was helpful. Thank you so much for spending time with us on Miss English AI.
Yes, thank you. And if you enjoyed this lesson, please subscribe so you don't miss future videos. Leave a comment below and tell us about your day in English.
We read your comments and appreciate all your support. Until next time, keep practicing and have a wonderful day.
Bye for now, everyone.
Goodbye.